Hi, this is question 23 on the ECAA 2017 paper. So for this question, it says to find the complete set of values of x for which x minus 3 over 2 is greater than 1 over x. So for this one, I actually found it easier to draw a graph. So here, this blue line is x minus 3 over 2 and the red one is 1 over x. So what this question is actually asking for is just when is the blue line above the red one. And you can see that's true both up here and also in this bit here up to the y-axis. And we know at this point x equals 0, right? So if we can just find this point here and also this the value of x in these two places where these two curves cross, then we're going to know the ranges of x for which x minus 3 is greater than 1 over x. So if we find where they cross, we're going to put x minus 3 over 2 equal to 1 over x, and if I just multiply through by x, that's going to give us x squared minus 3 over 2x equal to 1. And let's bring this 1 over so that we've got everything on the same side. Then that's going to be x squared minus 3 over 2x minus 1 equals 0. And so now we've got a quadratic in x, and you can solve this however you want. So you can complete the square, use the quadratic formula, or you can even be a bit sneaky and try and just guess how this is going to factorize based on the answers that they give you. So we know this is going to factorize something like with two brackets, with x plus or minus something times x plus or minus something. And seeing as we've got a lot of 2's and a halves here, let's just guess that those somethings are going to be 2 and a half. So now we've just got to work out whether it's a plus or a minus here, and if it's a plus or a minus here. Well, when we multiply this out, we're going to get minus 1. And because it's a minus, that means these two signs are going to be different, right? Because if the signs were the same, they'd multiply to give you a positive number. And we also know that they've got to add to make minus 3 over 2, and you can get that by taking off 2 and adding on a half. And if you want, you can check by multiplying out that this actually does give you this quadratic here. Well then, so now we know that x is going to be 2 or x is going to be minus a half. So we know that here that's going to be 2 and this here is minus a half. So we see for this section x is greater than 2, and here x is going to be between minus a half and 0, and so that gives us answer E.